In this video, we will learn about handling input and output in C++. In this program, I am going to take a variable called number which is of integer type, and I have just declared it. I want to store some value inside this variable at runtime. So I will prompt the user to enter a number by typing this cout statement like this. After this, I will add one cin statement. Now before I proceed, let me tell you that cin is also an object of IOStream class, just like cout is, but cin stands for console input, whereas cout stands for console output. Also, cin is always used along with these two symbols, and together this symbol is called as input symbol. Cin is followed by the name of the variable into which we want to store our value. At the end of this statement, again we have to put a semicolon like this. In the next line, I will see whether my value actually got stored into the variable or not. So let me print one more statement here. The number you entered is, after that again output operator and number. After that, I will end this program by writing return 0 and then save it. Let's say the name of the program is input variable. You can name your program whatever you like, but just make sure that do not add any white spaces while saving it. Click on execute, compile and run. So my program is error free and my output window is showing now, prompting me to enter a number. Let's say I enter 56 and press enter key. I got the message, the number you entered is 56.